high school. I took up photography as a hobby since my school offered a class. After going to a few universities in America, they really weren't challenging enough to take myself to the level of photography that I wanted to go into. Coming to London, they offer fashion, advertising, architecture, everything I was looking for. I developed a very good skill which I wanted to produce into a career where I can make a lot of money. Photography is a very expensive hobby where you always need the top equipment, including lighting, camera, lenses, film. Then besides that, there's always the extra cost of getting the film developed, hiring your models, hiring your stylist, your assistants. Smile big.
I did loads of drawings, and I've always been interested in fashion design anyway, and the ludicrous. It's basically inspired by my hero, which is Lee Bowery. He used to make stuff like this, and inspired by his divine inspiration was actually Divine, the actress. So it's kind of come from there, but it's kind of also going on to this whole idea of the fairy tale and the absurd and these kind of Disneyland characters. It's basically just like a bit of fun.
Well, with this shot, we're trying to go for more surreal looks. It's this crazy outfit. Basically, on my part, I just had to look for the correct shot where it'd be composition, lighting, and get another light reading because this time and technique.
The sound of photography. The sound of photography.
Do you want to do any more, or is that it?
I'm flapping, but I can't. I think. It's my stylist is shit.
The sound of photography from Stereo Total to Studio Penthouse. The sound of sound.
Apparently I'm a stylist. As a stylist, it means just looking out for the details that are going to go wrong and come out in the picture.
Do you think that you did your job well?
Probably not. So yes, in fact, working with Martha is very difficult because whatever I do is going to be wrong.
Selections from Beautiful Bold Woman, Bunny,
And a photo shoot detail is always the top priority.
Nancy for soft eyes,
Just tying his hair out of place could ruin the shot. A collar being flipped the wrong way.
Carpet,
What am I doing? I'm doing an MA in the Royal College of Art in sculpture, strangely, and I've decided that I wanted to do a couple of performances to exist as photographs, so I could, oh hang on, as these two photographs, or whatever, it might be a series of photographs, in my show relating to my sculptures.
Yeah, the shoot's done for today, so of course after every shoot we have to go get a few pints.
And they say photography is easy.